What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is your main man, Booster Rails, and I got a good one for you today. This is more on the serious topic in reference to motorcycle riding, because we know this is a dangerous sport for us, a dangerous hobby that we like to enjoy because we know the dangers that are out there on the road. So I wanted to bring you something today that can really help you and potentially save your life or a life of another rider. I don't do too many product, promotions and stuff like that. But if it's something that, it's greater than me, it's for the greater cause of the motorcycle community, I have to bring it to you guys so that, you can obtain said product in hopes that, it's a possibility you could save someone's life one day if it requires. So this product was something that was sent to me by the company. They're not paying me to do this video or anything like that. You guys know I promote a lot of safety and stuff. So with that said, we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna go over it, go through it, and let you know what we got here. So this right here is a trauma kit. And this is made by Traumoto. The company, their message, the branding and everything is on point. This is a trauma doctor, talking about the owner, a trauma doctor that also enjoys riding motorcycles. So we put his two passions together and created this kit that, we can have as motorcycle riders out there, just in case the worst scenario happens and someone goes down and they need medical attention. Now, in some accidents, some bad accidents, time is of the essence. And the things that are in this kit is gonna essentially be the bridge between the time the accident happens up until the ambulance can arrive and they can get further treatment until they get to the hospital. This is not your ordinary run-of-the-mill Walgreens or CVS medical kit, okay? There's some things in this kit, and it's one main thing that's really important when it comes to being able to render aid to a fellow rider, that I'm pretty sure if some other riders may have had this product, it could have saved their life. Like I said, this is really important to me because I'm all about promoting, safety and helping others. So like I said, this kit from Traumoto, you can hook it to your belt, ride with it right here. And it's one of those things is better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So we're gonna dive into what's actually in here. And like I said, I got one thing in here that I think is really, really important. Granted, everything is important, but one is really, really important. Then I got a bonus addition to the kit that I was sent as well that I think is very innovative, and it's gonna help save a lot of lives. So before we get into the kit, there is a Sharpie right here on the front, right? And I'm gonna explain why I would use this Sharpie with something else in this kit. It also has, a tag on the outside that says Traumoto. And on the back, you can get your name in there. And then it says medical info. So you can put any pertinent medical info you need right there. So it also has this badge right here. It actually glows in the dark, that portion right there, which I think is pretty cool. So if someone happens to go down at night, it could be possibly glowing and someone could see, oh, he has a medical kit on him. Because everybody doesn't ride with them in their cars. So you having this could potentially, like I said, save your life or someone else's. So as we go in here, we're gonna start, you have some latex gloves, because you just never know who you're working on. You want to protect yourself, or whoever's working on you, you allow them to protect themselves, right? So you have a pair of medical gloves. You have some shears. So you may need to cut away someone's shirt or pants or whatever. And you can also upgrade to a kit that they have a pair of shears that will literally cut through motorcycle racing boots. But this one right here will allow you to cut through the clothing. Next up, we have an ace bandage. Okay, so if you need to wrap somebody up in an ace bandage, you have that. And you have 3 rolls of medical gauze. Okay, 3 rolls of medical gauze to wrap any wounds that need to be wrapped in that medical gauze dressing. And you have duct tape. And you're like, why is there duct tape in there? Well, if you wrap someone's wound in the gauze or, maybe even an ace bandage, and you want to make sure that it really sticks, you have a nice amount of duct tape in here to keep that wound covered and dressed. You're also going to get several packs of alcohol prep pads. And that, will help you, you can clean off the shears if you need to, or anything you need to wipe down. You have plenty of alcohol pads. And next up, you have this burn shield, emergency burn care dressing. So whether, they went down and they could have got burned by the exhaust, or you can also use this to help out with road rash. Okay, so this burn is for burn scalds. It cools and soothes, because if you've ever had a road rash, I'm pretty sure you know that it's pretty hot when you get that road rash. So this can help with that and help clean that out and all that good stuff. Now, for me, one of the biggest things that I in here that I really think will be the biggest lifesaver, that is this cat tourniquet. Okay, I'm not sure how many of you people know about combat. It's a combat tourniquet. So if anybody is prior military or current military, you know about what a cat tourniquet is. And the amazing thing about the design of this cat tourniquet is, if God forbid you go down and you're by yourself, right? And you may lose a limb. Just say you may lose an arm, right? This is set up to where you can open it up with one hand and you can apply it with one hand, right? So I'm using 2 hands right now just to show you, but you open it up, and hold on, let me undo this. So you open it up, and you see this red tab right here. You're gonna open that up, and just say if you need to put it on your arm, you put it on your arm like this, and you want to be able to cinch it. And when you cinch it, just make sure you get it good and tight or whatnot. You get it good and tight. And then you take this right here and you can twist it to tighten it even more, okay? That's what that stick is there for. There's a name for it, I know, but that's what I'm just calling it. So you twist it and tighten it even more. And then once you get it tight enough, you place it to lock in to these hooks right here. It locks into the hooks. Then you can take and bring that main strap over and bring it through, and continue to bring it through in there. And then you can wrap that strap over and the tourniquet is applied. Okay, so let me take it off before I cut the circulation off. But the main thing with this tourniquet is, if someone is bleeding out due to loss of limb, this tourniquet can be the difference in saving their life, because you have to get that blood loss stopped. So you only have literally a couple of minutes of bleeding, like that before there's a loss of life. So if you can get that tourniquet on someone, you can actually save their life. Now, you saw the Sharpie earlier, right? So if you look on this gray piece right here, it says time, right? So if you put this Sharpie on or someone else puts it on you or whatever, that Sharpie is so that they can write the time down in which they applied that tourniquet to stop the blood loss. Okay, that's very important for the medical personnel responding in the ambulance as well as the hospital. So they'll know if you lost a limb, how long that limb has been disconnected from you. So that's very key in them doing what they have to do. So that tourniquet, this tourniquet right here, guys, this is, worth its weight in gold when it comes to a tragic accident on a motorcycle like that. So, like I said, you can fold it up to where you can pull it out with one hand, open it up and put it around said area and tighten it on up just like I showed you before. So that is very, very important, this tourniquet. And there are some additions that you can order from their website to add to the pack. You can get a larger pack as well. But I think right here with what I have in this one is pretty good. They got some things that you can get to, pack wounds and, a lot of other different stuff. So make sure you go to Traumoto.com and check out everything that they have. They have smaller kits. If you want a smaller kit, they have larger kits. If you want larger kits, but having something like this is, it's a necessity for us out there riding because, like I said, it's not just about you. You may have someone riding with you that may go down, and they need something that's in this kit that's going to help them be that bridge for the time that the ambulance get here because, it takes a little while for an ambulance to get there and then for you to get to the hospital, guys. I spoke with the owner very in depth. And he, explained everything to me. He explained, why he decided to do it. And he's a real genuine guy. For me, there's no price on saving a life. So anything that I could do that might help somebody else, we all know in this motorcycle community, it's all about helping each other. So this can be something that, can really put you in a situation. Now, just say, for instance, you might not be 100% comfortable with using this. They have videos on their website to show you everything you need to know. Or if, like I said, God forbid it happens to you, there may be a nurse or a doctor that may pull up on the scene and they see that you have this kit. And, they may not have nothing with them, but you got this kit and they can, potentially save your life with this kit. Like I said, just put it on your belt loop right there and you can ride with it. We go out here and we spend, $700, $800, $900, $1,500 on a helmet to protect our heads. But something like this, man, you can't put a value on what type of protection it can do for you and I out there. So this is something I'm definitely going to be riding with just because of, the safety factor. Now, a bonus thing that it came with, and I think you guys will really like this. I do personally myself. This is a medical ID sticker, right? Medical ID sticker. So with this is a sticker that you can place maybe on the side or the back of your helmet, and you go in there to the app, and you can put in your pertinent medical information like your blood type, any type of allergies you may have or anything like that, and your name and all that info. And you may not be conscious after an accident. Well, all they got to do is take their phone and scan this QR code, and it's going to pull up all of your information. So then they'll know who they're dealing with. They'll know what blood type you are, just in case you need a blood transfusion or you need any kind of blood. They'll know any allergies that you may have so that they, won't make the situation worse. So this is a real big bonus right here because you could be out riding by yourself and get in an accident and they don't know who you are, nothing about you. But with them being able to scan this QR code, it's going to tell them everything they need to know about you to help you get the care and the help that you need to, potentially save your life while you're out there riding. I know a lot of you seen there's been a lot of motorcycle accidents and a lot of people posting about them on social media. But, having this kit is something that will definitely, help us out as riders in those types of situations, whether it's for ourselves or whether it's for other people that we run across that may be in an accident, guys. So ask anyone that's ever been in an accident. I'm pretty sure that they'll tell you that, if they had this, that, maybe things could have been different for them, if they're still here, of course. But yeah, guys, it's amazing quality and everything like that. That's second to none, because, having something like this, you wear it all the time and stuff like that. You don't got to worry about like wear and tear, being cheap or anything like that. So make sure you definitely go check it out, guys, if you don't do nothing else. And if you do happen to, stop by and check them out on social media, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, or wherever, just, let them know that you saw their kit on my channel. I don't get no kickbacks from it or anything like that. I just want them to know that I really like their product. I really support their product. And stay tuned, because they got some new stuff coming. So you make sure when you go check out their social media, you turn on your notifications so you'll be notified about all of their new stuff, guys. So I didn't want to hold you too long, but this is an important message, an important product that I feel like, as all motorcycle riders, we need to have this kit. Not just a everyday Walgreens first aid kit full of Band-Aids. You know what I mean? We need things that are life-saving materials. Like I said, that main thing, like that tourniquet, guys. I know, yes, you can use other things for a tourniquet, but to have something that's able to apply this type of pressure is crucial. Now, for you that may have never used a tourniquet before, like I said, you saw how I put it on real quick. Now, understand this. You have to place tourniquets in the right place in order for them to be very effective. Okay, if you don't place the tourniquet in the right place, you can cause more harm. So understand, if someone loses a limb, you want to make sure that you pull that tourniquet up about 2, no more than 3 inches above the wound area. Okay, 2, no more than 3 inches above the wound area, to be able to effectively stop the person from bleeding out of that wound. So make sure that you remember that. Like I said, go to Traumoto.com and watch all their videos. They're very helpful. They explain everything very thoroughly. So I just want to give a major shout out to those over there at Traumoto for putting out such a great kit, a great product for us in the motorcycle community, guys. They're trying to save our lives out here, and this kit is just one of the things that's going to do it. So until next time, I don't know what else I can say about this, guys. Like, this is, worth more than its weight in gold. So till next time, if you're riding out there, make sure you're riding safe. Get you a kit from Traumoto. Keep it rubber side down, shiny side up. Peace.